In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract all file URLs from a Google Drive folder using AppScript. Fix today here. Let's begin. First, go to the Google Drive website and make sure you are already logged into your account. Once you're inside, the important thing here is that the folder you'll be working with is located inside your My Drive section. Now, on the left sidebar, click on My Drive to make sure you're in the correct location. For this example, we're going to create a new folder so everything is clear and easy to follow. Go to the top left corner and click the New button, then select Folder. A small window will appear where you can name your folder. You can name it something like Test Folder or anything you prefer. After typing the name, click Create. Once your folder is created, double-click it to open it. Now, we need to add some files inside this folder so we can extract their links later. To do that, click New again, then choose File Upload. Select a few files from your computer and wait for them to finish uploading. Make sure the upload is complete before moving on. After your files are uploaded, open a new browser tab and go to the Google Apps script website by typing script.google.com in the address bar. This is where we'll create the script that extracts all the file URLs. Once you're on the Apps script page, look at the left sidebar and click on New Project. This will open a new blank project with a code editor. Inside the code editor, you will see some default code already written. Go ahead and delete all of that so the editor is completely empty. Now, type or paste the script that extracts file URLs. The code will be shown on the screen, and you can also copy it from the description or comments if needed. After pasting the full code, look for the part where it says your folder's name. You need to replace that with the exact name of the folder you created earlier. Make sure the spelling matches exactly, including spaces and capitalization. Otherwise, the script will not find your folder. Next, go to the top left where it says Untitled Project. Click on it so you can rename your script. You can give it any name you want, but for this example, something like Sample Links works well. After typing the name, click Rename. Now click the Save icon in the toolbar to make sure your project is saved properly. Once saved, look for the Run button, which looks like a play icon, and click it. The first time you run the script, a permission pop-up will appear. Click on Review Permissions, then select your Google account from the list. You may see a warning screen, so click on Advanced, then click on Go to Project, which may show as unsafe. And this is normal because the script hasn't been verified, but it is safe since you're the one running it. After that, you'll see a list of permissions the script is requesting. Just allow all of them by clicking Continue. So the script can access your drive and create the output file. Once everything is approved, the script will start running. Just to wait a few seconds until you see a message that says execution completed. That means the process is done. Now go back to your Google Drive. Inside My Drive, you should see a newly created Google Sheets file. The name of this file usually matches the name you gave your script or folder. Double-click it to open it in Google Sheets. Inside the sheet, you will now see a list of all the file URLs from the folder you selected. Each file will have its own link, making it easy to copy, organize, or use them however you want. Now, one important thing to remember is that these links will only work for other people if they have permission to access the files. So if you plan to share these links, you need to update the folder's access settings. To do that, go back to Google Drive and locate your folder. Instead of changing permissions one file at a time, you can simply update the folder settings so it applies to everything inside. Click on the folder once, then at the top, click on the folder name, hover over Share, and click Share again. In the sharing settings window, look for the general access section. Change it to anyone with the link. This ensures that anyone you send the file URLs to will be able to open them without needing manual access. Once that's done, you can now use all those extracted links however you need. You can use them for things like sending bulk emails, organizing file references, or sharing individual files quickly without opening each one manually. That's how you extract all file URLs from a Google Drive folder using AppScript. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to leave a comment down below. If you'd like to see more videos like this, the subscribe button is free and helps support the channel so I can keep making helpful tutorials for you. I'll see you in the next video.